In the late 1800s and early 1900s, this city was a major transportation hub in the southeast. 7 railroad lines converged in the city, making it a crucial center for commerce, textiles, and travel. Welcome to Spartanburg, South Carolina, a hidden gem in the upstate packed with southern charm, history, and vibrant culture. Whether you're passing through or planning a weekend getaway, here are the top 10 things to do in Spartanburg. Starting out at number 10, start your journey in the heart of the city, Downtown Spartanburg. It's walkable, artsy, and full of energy. Grab a coffee at Little River Roasting, explore boutique shops, or take in the murals and public art installations that line the streets. Next up at number 9, need a break from the bustle? Head to Hatcher Garden and Woodland Preserve. This lush 10-acre oasis is filled with native plants, quiet trails, and peaceful ponds. It's free to enter and perfect for a reflective walk or picnic. Number 8. Art lovers, don't skip the Spartanburg Art Museum. Housed inside the Chapman Cultural Center, it features contemporary art with a strong local flair. You'll find rotating exhibits, family-friendly activities, and free admission. Number 7. For a dose of outdoor fun, check out the Mary Black Rail Trail. This 2-mile paved greenway is ideal for biking, jogging, or walking your dog. It connects to the rail yard, a fitness park, and several cool cafes and breweries along the way. Number 6. Take a journey into the 18th century at Walnut Grove Plantation. Explore a preserved homestead from the Revolutionary War era, learn about frontier life, and hear stories of the people who shaped South Carolina's early history. Number 5. If you're in town on a weekend evening, don't miss Freight Yard, South Carolina's first open-air beer garden. Built from repurposed shipping containers, it's the go-to spot for craft beer, live music, and local vibes. Number 4. For family-friendly fun, grab a ticket to see the Spartanburgers, the city's summer collegiate baseball team. It's affordable, quirky, and full of theme nights that make for a great evening out. Number 3. Car enthusiasts, rejoice! The BMW Zentrum Museum showcases the history of BMW's iconic vehicles, right next to the company's only U.S. manufacturing plant. Best of all, it's free and filled with photo-worthy cars. Number 2. For a bigger adventure, head to Croft State Park, just minutes from downtown. With over 7,000 acres of trails, a beautiful lake, and even horseback riding, it's a nature lover's dream. Topping our list is the Spartanburg Music Trail, a self-guided walking tour celebrating the city's incredible musical legacy. From soul and jazz to blues and rock, you'll learn about the legends like Pink Anderson and Marshall Tucker Band, all rooted in Spartanburg. So there you have it, 10 unforgettable things to do in Spartanburg, South Carolina. Whether you're into history, nature, food, or music, Spartanburg's got something special for you. We hope you enjoyed this countdown. Let us know your favorite Spartanburg place in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next amazing city.